trying to figure out how to replace their livelihood after thousands of dollars of tools were stolen.
At a crime wave in the San Fernando Valley, thieves are targeting work vans, hoping to score some prized property.
More than $50,000 worth of product was gone when staff arrived on scene.
Yeah, we got a Ram ProMaster. He went ahead and got the van and converted it over with the AC in the top. He's gonna do mobile pet grooming. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, it's mobile pet grooming. He'll come to your home and take care of all your animal needs. I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside here. What it looks like. It's done very well. We went ahead and gave him the Clifford 3105 to on the alarm. You're gonna hit lock. Lock your doors. You're gonna hit unlock. That disarms it, unlocks your doors. Give him the antenna on the top. It's gonna have the blue LED light. Yeah, so basically if the alarm is on, somebody tries to bust out the window or open any of the doors, the alarm's gonna trigger. We also give them a pain generator, so when the alarm fires off, it's a very loud, high frequency sound inside the van to kind of stop them. If anybody wants to get in here and start taking things, it's going to be very annoying for the ears, I would say. So yeah, that's another add-on we did for him. We gave him a panic button so he can hold the button down and fire the alarm. So yeah, this installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.